The Blink Outdoor 4 is a battery-powered camera that connects to Wi-Fi and brings you 1080p HD video, two-way audio, and on-demand live view through the Blink app. Some of the Outdoor 4 features includes improved low-light vision, enhanced motion detection, Alexa integration, and person detection. Just keep in mind, in order to take advantage of the person detection feature, you do need to be subscribed to one of Blink's subscription plans. Some of the upgrades from the Outdoor 3 to the Outdoor 4 includes a wider viewing angle. On the Outdoor 4, you have a 143 degrees field of view. It also promises a clearer, improved image, so I'm assuming that the Outdoor 4 is doing some color grading to make the image quality looks better. But they're both 1080p. It also have dual motion zone, so it promises to catch the event much quicker, and also less false notifications with person detection and CV technology. Now we're going to talk about what's included inside the box: one camera, one sync mod, two AA lithium metal batteries, one mounting kit, one USB cable, and one power adapter. There are two ways in which you can install this camera: under the eaves or directly onto the wall. For an installation directly onto the wall, attach the camera directly onto the mounting bracket. For a ceiling mount or a under the eaves installation, utilize this attachment that's included in the mounting kit. By the way, this have got to be the easiest camera to steal. Because it doesn't fit securely to the mounting bracket, it pops off very easily with little to no effort. That's very disappointing. On the front of the device, you'll find the camera lens, the status LED light, the PIR sensor, along with the Blink branding, also the mic. Around the back, you'll find a rubber plug which covers the USB Type-C port, which you can use to connect a compatible USB Type-C solar panel, or you can use it to power the camera. On the side, right next to the camera, you'll find a cutout for the speaker. Here's how you install the batteries. Flip it around to the back, get a flathead screwdriver, a penny, a dime, or you can also utilize this piece from the mounting kit. Whatever fit will works. You want to unscrew it, and then once it's unscrewed, you're going to go ahead and pry it open from the sides. Once it's open, you can go ahead and install your batteries. Also make note that the reset button is right inside here. Put the cover back on, tighten the screw, and you're good to go. Time to set it up. Go ahead and plug in the sync mod because this camera does not work without the sync mod. Then go ahead and go to your phone settings and go to Blink. You want to make sure that access to local network is toggle on. This is very important because I was having problems setting up the sync mod. This was the problem. So toggle this on first. Next, open up your Blink app and go to the plus in the top right corner. Then choose the sync mod option. Scan the QR code on the back of the sync mod. Confirm that your lights are blinking correctly. Connect to your local network. From here, sync mod may install some updates. Now go ahead and grab the Blink camera. Make sure that the batteries are installed. On the front of the camera, right next to the camera lens, you will see a red light flashing. That's the status LED light. That means the camera is good and ready to go. Select the plus button in the top right corner. Choose the mini camera option. Then scan the QR code in the back of the camera. From there, the camera will install some firmware updates. And that's it for the setup. Remember, this camera does not work without the sync mod. On the sync mod, there is a USB port. You can add a thumb drive here to expand your local storage. Also, once the firmware update is completed, Blink will give you 30-day free trial of their cloud services. There are no spotlights available on this camera. I'm not surprised though because the battery capacity is very small. 2 AA battery will not survive very long with spotlights. There's also no siren. I don't understand why, because this is useful in scaring off intruders or maybe unwanted animals. Rich notifications is also not available, so you won't be able to see a snapshot whenever you get a notification. And most importantly, I would argue, there are no timestamp available on these video footages. This is the video clarity during the day at 5 feet. Now I'm at 10 feet, 15 feet, 20, 25. This is how the Blink Outdoor 4 looks during the night. For perspective, this is how dark the back is. And there is the Blink Outdoor 4 right up there. The picture quality at day and night was very disappointing. Anything beyond 10 or 15 feet is basically unrecognizable. That's really disappointing. I don't know exactly what it is, but the camera, I won't get a notification until I'm about 5 feet away from the camera, no matter how much I try. I don't know if I have to angle it differently, but the only time I get a notification is when I'm right here, which is 5 feet away. Let me know in the comments down below. Will you pick one of these up? What are your thoughts? Like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, have a good one.